Hey guys, this is me Gokul and welcome back to another video. And today we are going to Speed Vegas. Woohoo! What a nice day. And today we are gonna ride a Porsche. When I be in Speed Vegas, I'll show you the cars. Okay? Okay. Okay, you told okay. Okay, so be sure to smash that thumbs up button like and subscribe for more videos just like this.
Guys, we're in Speed Vegas now and Gokul is gonna ride a Porsche. Okay, so we had some problems and the surprise is that he is gonna ride a Lamborghini and it's gonna be too loud. Let's ask him how excited he is. Hey Gokul,
Hey!
how excited are you to go in the Porsche?
No, very excited.
Oh really? He's even playing a car racing game right now. Wonder how surprised he's gonna be. See you guys in the car. So, which car are you going in?
Lamborghini.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yay! 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 Yay!
This guy's excited. Okay, so we will see you in the Lambo.
Buddy. You ready?
Are you ready?
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
All right, you can do it.
You're not gonna get scared? No scared. Let's go.
All right, here we go.
I thought you was driving. To the wrong side. All right, sit down.
He is
Wait,
extremely tiny.
Both feet on each side of that brake, all the way on the floorboard. No, don't touch the brake. Can you get up there? All right, I got my buddy Google in the Lambo. We're going out for a 2-lap ride. Are you ready?
Yes.
To the camera. Here we go, buddy. We're going. Wait till.
Yeah.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
143 miles an hour, bud. You ready? One more time. See what she got. How was that? Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Damn! Pretty fun in a Lambo, huh? 144, buddy. How was that?
Nice.
Yeah,
How was it?
How was it?
How was it? You like it?
Yes. I didn't even get scared.
You didn't even get scared? Very good.
Speed Vegas is an awesome place to visit with family and friends. You can check out more packages and deals at their website. Hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you in another video. Bye!